Hey, just want to do a quick video on the solar panels. Now, I had this one for a long time. This is supposed to be a 1.5 watt from Harbor Freight, but as you can see, I also put some Velcro on here because I tried putting it on the window, but as you can see, this is too heavy and those little suction cups are just too small. So this thing kept falling, and then since there's carpet on the back, this pretty much held it down. But unfortunately, I also had to get a charge regulator for it, and that had this on it, but it never really charged the battery. It was just, if this thing's on the shade, it just doesn't even light up on here. As you can see, it's lighting up because I'm outside. There's a little bit of sun. But I decided to go with the new one, which is this top solar battery charger. As you can see, it's bigger, but it's also thinner, and the suction cups are bigger. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on the glass or not. I might just put it on the back. So I also went ahead and put some Velcro on it because over time the soft top, it might just fall anyways. The reason I got this one is because it's actually supposed to be a 10 watt solar charger versus the 1 watt, and the suction cups on this one are a lot bigger, as you can see. But also the charge regulator, it's already built into the panel right here, so it's one less thing to buy separate, which is nice. I went ahead and plugged these on here, and they were kind of loose, so I don't know, maybe that had something to do with it, but it just never worked too well unless you're directly on the sun, I guess. So I'm trying this one out. I just went ahead and put the wires. This one comes with a wire that I just ran through, but it's a little shorter than this one. So I like this one because it's longer. But this one does come with the same thing right here. Battery clamps, this cigarette lighter. But I like this one because I can plug it directly to the battery with this one, which is what I'm gonna do. And it looks like this one is working even in the shade. It's giving me quite a bit of charge. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and get the meter out. So just testing that one without the charge regulator. It's giving me about 10-11 volts right out here. Let me check the other one. So right here I'm getting 13 volts on this one in the same spot. So obviously you definitely need the charge regulator, but this one's already giving me 13.5 volts. I have it set up, I got negative because I have the this backwards. So this one, the black one, this one's supposed to be the positive, the one that's open. So let me check that. So there's you go. And then this one, let's see, is that the positive or the negative? On this one. And so this is another thing you gotta be careful on these. See, this one's reverse. The positive is the inside one, not the outside. So that one's reverse, because now I'm getting a negative on the same way I plug it over there. So just something to keep in mind. Now let me put the charge regulator and see if it works. And as you can see, this one's not giving me anything. Even though it's sort of on, I'm not getting anything. Lights off. So this one never worked. And this one does give me voltage right now without plugging anything in. As you can see, let me turn it around so you can see it. So we're gonna do the same thing. Come on. Kind of hard to do it one-handed, but we'll get it done. So right now, I got 3.4 volts right there through the charge regulator. It's in green, as you can see. Anyways, I'm just testing it, so I just wanted to show you that. So if I swap them, should get the right one. There you go, 2.5. So this panel should charge the battery. This one, unless you're out in the direct sunlight, it's not gonna work. It's just 1 amp, 1.5 watts, doesn't even go through this. So apparently, because it doesn't even light up over here. So let me go ahead and install this one real quick, because I already put the wires in there, and I'm gonna leave that on there, but just wanted to do a quick video on that, just to show you that some work and some don't, and depending on your case. Right now the thin one works better for me because it's lighter, since that thing moves a lot, the top, and this one is just too heavy for it. So depending on your application, if you want to be outside, you want something more covered like that. But also, let me show you, the panels are different. See how this one is versus that one? So that may also have a difference in how you get the power from your solar. Don't know, I'm not familiar with them. This is just something I've been playing with, but I finally found the new ones that are updated and includes the charger, so hopefully it won't kill the battery or overcharge it, because with that one I found out that it was discharged instead of charging it. So this one hopefully is not the opposite. There you go. That's pretty much it for this one. Alright, so before actually plugging these two, make sure you measure to make sure you know which one's positive and which one's negative, because when you measure on the plug, it's actually backwards. So I had to take these off again just to make sure this red one was a positive, or in the black, and it is. So now I can put it back. But I thought it was backwards all the way from out there, but because they're different plugs, you gotta be careful.